It's been only a few days since we dropped the clone feature at Pixii, and the stuff that y'all have been creating with it is beautiful. I'm going to show you my 4 favorite use cases for clone right now, and I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. Reminder, what is clone? Well, you designed the perfect listing. You have to create 100 more listings. Are you going to do it yourself manually over the next 3 months? No, let AI do it for you. That's where Pixii comes in. Okay, use case number 1 is variants. You're looking here at a Hanes loungewear set. These set of visuals is actually designed in Pixii. But now you have all these different colorways, right? Including this green one. You can manually recreate all 6 or 10 images, or you can just throw it in Pixii and click a button, and here you go. Look, the left side is the original in pink. The right side is it reinterpreted for green. The shot list is the same. Even the model is the same, if you notice. It's seasonal, so it talks about spring. This whole batch was made at the click of a button. Look at that. Reinterpreting the pink for the green, the size chart, the lifestyle shot, even keeping the same model. It's amazing. Clone works for all kinds of variants. You can do this for different sizes, different patterns, finishes, colors, flavors, scents, and it's 0 prompts. You just click a button. This is probably the heaviest use case in Pixii, but there's some more creative ones to come. Languages. So you designed the perfect listing, but now you also have to design a listing for Spain and France and Germany and all these different languages. So you can hire an interpreter, fight ChatGPT, and try to figure it out on your own, again, over the next 3 months, or just use Pixii. On the left is the US listing in English. On the right is the Spain listing in Spanish. The bottle is different because the bottle in Spain is different. So check this out. It's amazing. It's keeping the exact same designs, just changing the language. It's also changing on this one. You notice the star rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars, 4.4 out of 5 estrellas in Spain. The listing is different there, the star rating is different there, and Pixii figured that out with 0 prompts. This will save you a ton of time, okay? All you gotta do is drop in the ASIN, and Pixii will translate it for you beautifully. Use case number 3, design your full catalog. So you designed the perfect listing, but you have all these other kind of products inside your catalog that are different than the first one. So now you need to reinterpret it for all these other products. You could hire a team or an agency, spend $100,000, have a lot of rounds of revision, or you can just use Pixii. Voila, check this out. So this is the master listing on the left made for a shampoo and conditioner set. And this is how Pixii's clone feature reinterpreted for a lotion. So the before and after, focus on hair. Here it focuses on skin. This lifestyle shot focuses on her hair. This lifestyle shot focuses on her skin. Even the texture, Pixii was able to figure out, oh, this is what a shampoo looks like. This is what the lotion looks like. And of course, the how-to gets updated as well. But call something out here is that it's not just to find and replace like a designer might do. Pixii understands the world. It understands the products. It understands your customers. And so, for example, on the left side, you have the texture of a shampoo. You have, ingredient concerns about a shampoo. On the right side, you have the texture of a lotion and ingredients for a lotion or skin moisturizer, more specifically. 0 prompts, done in minutes. Okay, use case number 4 for Pixii's clone feature is steal the look. This is a fun one. Let's say there's a product or a listing out there and you love their design. You love the way they set up their listing and you want to steal it for your own, but you don't want to directly just copy it. You want to reinterpret it for yourself. I'm going to show you how to do that right now with Pixii. So let's take Mary Ruth as an example. I mean, you can assume that they figured out the right shot list and the right set of visuals for their listing. They have a huge team, they have a huge budget, they're growing quickly, and everyone loves them. So they must have figured it out. So how do you steal from it? Not copy, but steal from it. I'm going to do that for a similar product. So this is Mary Ruth's chlorophyll liquid drops. I'm going to do it for Approved Science liquid chlorophyll. This ASIN is just getting started. They have 16 reviews and a few visuals. But let's see if we can't upgrade them, taking inspiration from Mary Ruth. Okay, let's take a look. So the main, you have the bottle with the box, nutrition facts, okay, suggested use, trust badges. Keep in mind that Pixii is not copying, it is stealing, which means that it's taking inspiration from another visual. So for example, Mary Ruth is a certified B Corp and it's Clean Label Project certified. Approved Science doesn't have that, but they are GMP certified and they are made in the USA. So Pixii recognized that and automatically designed that into the visuals. On the left, you can see that that's the Mary Ruth brand. On the right, you can see that that's the Approved Science brand. Here's another cool example. On the left, Mary Ruth talks about start building healthy habits. On the right, Approved Science focuses more on clinical purity, right? So they're a science forward brand. Mary Ruth is much more of a lifestyle forward brand. So it's taking inspiration, but reinterpreting it for your brand using your brand colors, your brand fonts, your message, your product. Even the UGC, let's take a look at this one. The left side, Mary Ruth, talks about how it's water soluble and delicious. On the right side, it talks about highly bioavailable. Again, your message, not Mary Ruth's. I think it's a really, really cool way of using clone. And I salute you guys for bringing that to my attention. Let me quickly hit a few more just to get your brain spinning on this. So here is reinterpreting a blonde shampoo and conditioner set for a curly shampoo and conditioner set. Pixii knew to change the lifestyle in the before and after shots from blonde to curly. Even the color of the shampoo, apparently blonde shampoo is purple, but this curly shampoo is white. The ingredients here are iris and the ingredients on the right are coconut. Amazing, amazing. Again, zero prompting. It's so intelligent. Here's another one. We reinterpreted a omega-3 supplement for some paprika. Kind of strange. I don't know. I thought it was fun. You can see on the left side, no fishy burps on the cutting board. On the right side, authentic smokehouse flavor on the cutting board. Even the hand holding the pill versus the hand holding the spoon. I mean, it's amazing. One more. I did this one for Aesop. So I took Aesop's shot list and I reinterpreted it for LA Totally Awesome, which is like pretty well-known cleaner. But you can see here's the main. So take it some inspiration, use cases. I think this one's probably the best way of showing you. Where it's showing it in use on the left side, Aesop is a soap, showing it in use with the key benefits. And here it's showing this degreaser in use with the key benefits. I mean, it's actually pretty beautiful. I'm actually going to send this to them. It's awesome. All right, now that you know what Pixii can do with the clone feature, let me show you how to use it. I'm going to show you how to use Pixii's clone feature to take one master listing and scale it across your catalog. I'm going to work on this Hanes loungewear set. So first things first, I'll go to Pixii. A couple different options here. You can upload your master visuals if you've made them in Photoshop or got them from an agency or from somewhere on Amazon. Or if you made them in Pixii, which I did, I'm just going to select the ones that I like and hit clone. And now we've got the master visuals loaded up. Step 2, let's pick a product to clone this to. I'm going to do this same ASIN except a different child variant, which is going to be the red color. So I'll just grab that ASIN, go over to Pixii. So you can drop the ASIN in here. And I strongly suggest adding a high-res photo. You'll get better results every time. And just click select. If you don't have an Amazon listing already, no worries. You can just add a photo and a little bit of detail about your product. Pixii's analyzing this product for its reviews, its listing details, anything that makes it unique. Because it's a different product, it's actually a different shopper and serves different needs. So we got the master visuals, we got the product loaded up and analyzed. Let's click clone. We got the results, pink on the left and then red on the right. Wow, it's amazing. Same exact design, only changing the color, even keeping the same model. Imagine having to do 50 photo shoots and 500 designs manually. What? AI. Pixii to the rescue.